Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Metal Eden game popping an error. DirectX 12 is not supported on your system. So if you are also facing the same error, then go through this video guide and follow the steps one by one. So the first method is to modify launch option. You need to type -dx11 or -window. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and under general you need to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and see if the error is resolved, or else you need to type -windowed and then check if the error is fixed or not. If not, next is to update graphics card. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for device manager. Now go below expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it and click on update driver, and after that click on search automatically for driver. So this will check if there is any update available, and once done, now try to launch the game and see if the error is fixed or not. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link that I provided in the description and update your graphics card and then check if the issue is fixed or not. Next is to install DirectX on your system. So for that, I have provided the link in the description. Just copy it and paste it in your browser. Opens. Now here you need to click on a download option over here, and after it gets downloaded, simply install it. And once it is installed, now try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files. After that, try to launch the game and see if it helps to fix the error. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to search option, search for check for updates, and here you should see if there is any update available. Click on check for updates, and once your Windows is updated, try to launch the game and see if the error is fixed or not. If not, the last solution is to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, select your game, under library, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall. Click on uninstall option over here, then again click on uninstall. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once and then launch Steam and reinstall the game, and after that try to play it and see if the error is fixed or not. So these are few solutions suggested to fix the error you are coming across while playing Metal Eden game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.